Yeah, how are you? And where are you? Are you at a floor?
Yeah, actually, um, okay. So first of all, I should say about myself. After that, I will say where I am now. Okay, so my name is Barun, and I am from West Bengal. Now I'm a student, and now I'm learning this language, and also I'm running a YouTube channel because of English. Because now I'm learning this language. Actually, I am from West Bengal, and my mother tongue is Bengali, and now I am in college, so that's why I'm learning this language. Yeah, that's all.
That's really cool. You mentioned that you are a YouTuber too. Wow, fine.
Yeah, yeah.
That's
Say
really
something.
yes. Yeah, I will tell you that. Okay. So if I talk about mine, this is Chandu. I am from. Basically, I'm a native of Andhra Pradesh. Currently, I'm staying in Bangalore. Okay. Yes. So here I'm doing a part-time job and simultaneously I'm learning some skills to get a job in IT sector. Yeah,
I am saying you have done graduation.
yeah, I have done it. It was completed in 2022.
Okay, okay. So now you are learning skills like coding thing.
Yeah, I am.
Okay, so you have done your graduation in computer science or BTech or any other field.
I'm completely non-IT background, which is that mechanical engineering.
Okay,
Yes, so that's why I took a time to learn the skills.
okay. So by the way, actually, I want to know why are you learning this language? What's the reason? Because you are doing job. So what's your reason actually?
Okay, so English is everywhere. Okay, it's a necessary, essential we can say. If you want to go do a job or do a interview, I mean give a interview, definitely English is necessary. So that's why I thought I have to learn this language. So when I faced when I faced this problem, language problem, so yeah, initially I had to give an interview in my college campus placement. So over there I was bad at English. Okay, so the interviewer, it has done, I mean the interviewer asked me questions in English, even though I know the answer, but I can't express in a good way, and so that's why I got rejected. So that is my first step where I realized to learn this language. So that's why I'm here. So that is the first reason. There are a number of reasons.
Okay, okay. It's a very
Yeah,
good thing.
that's why I'm
So
here.
now, actually, what kind of practice do you do for your English speaking, and what kind of practice we should do to learn this language?
Okay, so to learn this language, like when I thought at the time, I had to take a grammar classes which is online. Okay, so then after completion of grammar, and I started speaking English over on some other applications. So and these days, like I got this, and I'm good at over on call. So now I'm here improving to my improving my communication skills and facial expressions, presentation skills, everything. So those things I'm keep learning through the you know co-learners we can say. Yeah, I'm asking the the tips and tricks, and through that I'm enhancing my skills. Yeah, so apart from this application, I do listen podcast. I want to connect strangers, but I am a bit awkward person to connect to strangers. Yeah, so that's why I'm trying to get rid of that
Okay,
in
very
future.
good. Actually, I heard about if anyone wants to learn this language, so they should do like four things: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Okay, actually these four things you do or not.
Yes, I did when I was, I mentioned that I had to take a classes. So over there, definitely after listening the classes, I mean after watching the classes, definitely we have to submit the our assignments. So over there, I had completed like writing. Okay, so it's not a writing we can say, but over there homework. Okay, writing in the sense we had to think and write. Okay, yeah. So just I am learning. Speaking, watching. That's it.
Okay, it's a very good thing. So you did take a coaching for
Yeah.
English speaking. Okay,
Mhm.
so okay, what kind of things you did learn from that classes?
From basic to advanced level over there, it's completely grammar classes. Yes.
Okay, so actually you said you take English classes. So actually, what kind of grammar is important for English speaking?
Tenses plays a main role. It's a backbone of English. And
Okay, okay,
mhm.
only tenses or any other things we have to do.
As a general talks or for general talks or for conversation, and you can say a simple conversation, tenses, modal verbs. These are the two things are very, 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 very important.
Okay,
So
it's
we
very good.
we know some vocabularies, even though if we don't know English how to speak, even we know this is the pen. We don't know, like we know in our native languages we do call kalamu, and you know there are some words in our regional languages, but we do use English word: pen, bottle, mobile, book, uh, yeah, pad, okay, gloss. So these are all the English words. So as we know some of English words, with the help of tenses, modal verbs, we can speak a general talks.
Okay, okay, it's very good thing.
Yeah,
Okay,
in
so
my opinion, that is the
yeah,
way.
yeah, great. Yeah. Okay, so you can ask if you have any questions.
Yes. So initially I have asked a question, which is that are you at a roof, or
Yeah, yeah,
because
yeah.
I am able to see the buildings.
I'm on,
Is that your college?
I'm on the,
Is that your college?
no, no, it's not my college actually. I live in hostel, so that's why it's my surround. You can say.
Okay, 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 okay. That's fine. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which year? You said you were pursuing. Which year are you from?
Yeah, actually, in this time, I'm studying BS in Physics honors, and this is my final year. I have done my fifth semester, and now I am studying for sixth semester. This is my final
Sixth semester. Okay, that's fantastic. Yeah. Break a leg. Okay.
year.
Yeah. So what is the main reason? Like I know. So what is the main reason for you? For you are here.
Okay, in this type of application, actually, in this time, when I was class 1 to 12, that time I was studying Bengali medium. That time I actually couldn't speak anything in English. And after my college, after my school, I admitted for BS in physics. And in this time, actually, in this time, my teachers speak English, and actually in our syllabus, everything is English. So that's why in this time, I'm feeling after my college, I have to go for MSc. So that's why that time it will be helpful. And if I want to prepare for any government exam, so that time it will be helpful. So that's what I'm learning. And now I'm feeling ki if I learn this language, so I will connect in the world. So that's what I'm learning this language. And also I am running a YouTube channel related spoken English.
Wow. That's really good. Yeah, spoken English. Okay, fine. That. So now, shall we discuss one thing, which is the people. I mean, your users, your subscribers, they may face this problem. Okay, like what is the difference between me, maybe, might? Okay, so yeah, without knowing as, like these are the helping verbs. May. So initially when we started schooling, so at the time, at this point of time, we have been using that word. May I come in? Sir, may I come in, sir? But we don't know that is the helping, but we know the sentence.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But we don't know what is the helping verb, what is that, what is this. Okay, so without knowing also, we have to use that sentence in our education, I mean in our schooling. So now, like we have no, this is a helping verb. So yeah, so now what is your point of view? What is the difference between may, might be, sorry, maybe, and might?
Okay. May, might be, and maybe. Okay. So in my opinion, actually, It's a, I can say helping verb, and I can say it's a modal verb actually.
Yeah, modal verbs, helping verbs, we can say.
So yeah, actually, when we speak like a polite way, so that time we use me. Otherwise, we can use can. It's also
Yeah.
modal. Yeah. And
Mm-hmm.
might,
Interesting.
yeah, might means that actually this time, if I talk about probability, anything if I do, if I actually I I can say I will do or not. I don't know. Actually, it might be. It means probability. There is some probability, so that's why we use might.
Yeah, you are correct. Yeah, may, might, may, maybe, might. These are the same, meaning they have. So these are all the probabilities. May means
Right.
we may do. So I am asking you, shall I come in? I mean, may I come in, sir? So it's a asking probability. Shall I come or not? Yeah. So we can use instead of may, we can use can. Because so again, can is used to show the ability.
Yeah. Right.
Okay. Yeah. So can is more can is a informal. Okay. So may is a formal. Okay. So we can't say in front of the sir, can I come, sir? We can say it is a absolutely right, but politeness.
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. May I come in, sir? And next one is might. It's a might be. So for example, I can ask, where is your brother? You can say my brother might be there, my brother might be
Right.
yeah, maybe there, might be there. Yes, so might is a past one, may is a present, future, might is the past.
Yeah. Yeah. Right.
And maybe is also the same, he may be there, he may be in the like a room, or he may be watching the movie, so we can say that. Yeah, that is the a small differences between may, might be. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Hmm. Yes, the maybe the your users, they may get confused about these. Okay.
Yeah. 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 Right.
Okay, fine. Yes. Yeah. So what's today is Sunday? What is the special? Is there anything special? Afternoon, evening?
Actually, no. Actually, no. I can say.
Why? You are
Hmm,
a student. You can enjoy. You don't get this life after
uh,
graduation. I
hmm,
bet you.
yeah, you're right. But actually, we live in hostel. I said we live in hostel, but actually we live in rent house.
Rental house. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. That's why actually we cook ourselves, and we are actually we live in one room, two people. I and my friend.
With your friends. How many of you?
Two.
Two. Okay. So you cook yourself.
Two. So that's why.
Okay, that's cool. Yes, that's what I'm asking. Today Sunday. Have you cook? Like, have you made chicken, mutton?
Oh, no, no, actually, I didn't do anything.
Okay. Yeah, that's cool. So
But,
do you?
where are you from? Please say.
I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
I'm from
Currently, I'm staying in Bangalore.
Bengal. Okay. So you are doing job. What kind of job actually you are doing in IT sector or any other?
So present, I'm doing a job in a banking sector. I work for a bank.
Okay, actually, I want to ask one question. You have done your graduation mechanical engineer,
Yes.
but you are doing actually banking job. Why is?
Okay. Yeah. Let me tell you. Let me clear this. Okay. Question. Okay, so I have done my graduation, which is in mechanical engineering. So at the time, I don't have any idea about the mechanical engineering and engineering. So that's just blindly I had to take the mechanical engineering because of my friends, they took. Okay, so that is the main reason why I took the mechanical branch. Okay, so then after completion of my graduation, like I started learning coding because during the pandemic situation, the IT was booming. Okay, so it was the like a top, we can say. So that's why At the time, everybody does, everybody did suggest to me, go towards IT, go into IT. So that's why I thought I made a choice to come IT. So I came Bangalore for learning some skills. I joined an institution which is just better, and yeah, I had been learning over there. Okay, coding skills. Okay, and simultaneously, gradually, the IT, they are reducing the hiring process. Like they are reducing the hiring. Okay, so after I got some knowledge. I don't have a full knowledge about IT. I mean skills. I have a basic knowledge. I have a intermediate level. So at the time, I want to attend the interviews. Okay, so there is no interviews. There is no calls. Every day I do upload my profile on Naukri here and there, those kind of portals. But I'm not getting. I was not getting calls. Okay, still I have been, still I haven't getting any calls from IT sector. So that's why I thought, it would be very hectic for me, because this is a metropolitan city. We can't survive easily. It's too expensive. Okay, so that's why I thought I have to start any sector. I mean any kind of job. Initially I do two jobs. Those were edtech platforms. It is a wise process. Okay, over there, they were not spend I mean they were not paying money. So that's why I quit this and I went my home. After 6 months I came back to the Bangalore, and I started a banking sector. I didn't think whatever it may be a bank, it may be anything I want to do. I have wanted to earn myself.
Okay,
Still, yeah, still I am depending on my parents, even though I'm getting a this is the this is my first week. Okay, this is my first Sunday where I joined in that sector. Recently I joined, and yeah, let's see what will happen.
okay.
Maybe.
Actually, I want to know
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
how many languages do you know in coding?
C, oh sorry, basic of C, and Java full stack development, Java, HTML, CSS, basics of JavaScript, SQL. That's it.
Okay, it's a very good thing.
Yeah, still, you know what? I haven't getting a time to revise those. Yeah,
Okay, so what's
because
your favorite language in coding?
Java.
Java.
Yeah,
Okay,
because
actually,
of
I
that is the
heard.
main language.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I heard about Java is a hard language actually.
Yeah, it is. It is a hard language. It is a toughest language and too secure.
Oh,
So that's
okay.
why I'm learning. But these days the companies were most of the companies they are using a Python, because it's the easiest language when we compare to the Java or any other languages. Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, so actually,
Okay.
now I have to go
Yeah. Fine.
my room, so that's why
Yes, you have
we
to go.
can
You are okay. Fine. We can wind up this session. Okay.
talk for the
Yeah.
and
Thank you.
when we get free time, that time we will meet again actually.
Sure. Thank you for that. Have a nice day.
Nice